Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable DeviceInfoAidlService service on your Android TV. To fix it, because this setting may break your remote. This setting may cause your remote to not function properly. And to fix it, this option shouldn't even be available on the Android TV, but some manufacturers for some reason do leave that enabled. I don't really get that, but if it is there, then you'll need to use a computer mouse. I know it may sound weird, but I have a computer mouse with a cable here, and I have it plugged into a USB port on my set-top box, because you can have either Android box or Android TV, just your TV with Android built in. And either of those should have a USB port. Then plug the USB port in. You'll see the cursor will appear on the screen. Go to the settings, and now you'll need to get to most probably device preferences, but there are different versions of Android TV, so it may be somewhere else. You'll just need to get to a moment where you find accessibility settings. In accessibility, you'll find DeviceInfoAidlService. You can see I have it disabled. I'll enable it for a moment, and now you'll see that if I, for example, go back, I cannot do anything on my remote besides the back button, maybe the Google Assistant button should be working. Yeah, but besides that, it doesn't really work at all. And to fix that, go to the settings and find accessibility settings somewhere on your TV. Then go to DeviceInfoAidlService, disable it and click on OK. Now my remote is fully functional. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.